Hello there, Dan the Weatherman here. Hey, welcome to my weather show. We look at the weather for New Zealand for the coming week. We're talking high pressure once again, and we've been talking high pressure a lot over the course of the summer. And you think, well, with La Nina, it would probably head off into the sunset at some point. It's like the unwanted house guest. It's still with us, and it could be with us for a good while longer. And it's affecting the weather. Even though we've got the Southern Ocean and you think this time of year, we start to see more oomph, the storms. We've seen a few instances here and there, but we've still got these very, very big areas of high pressure, and we've got one coming this week. This is the satellite. Yellow blobs show the areas of cloud, the higher, colder cloud tops. Putting on the streamlines of the mid-levels shows you one trough there, one there. This is the first front that's sliding up across the South Island, and behind it, you've got a southwest flow. Can you see that bubble there? That's a big, what we call upper ridge, a mountain of warmer air. That's chilled out weather. That's why you've got this milky looking teal color, subsidence inversion cloud building in. So that is what's coming in across the country over the course of this week. But first off, we've got that cooler, blustery southwest flow. So if you're in the far south, it's going to be one of those start the day, cooler start to say Monday. Anzac Day, how will we start off dawn service-wise? With that flow, the blue are the areas of energy. That's the first upper trough going away. I've mentioned the big bubble. That's the chilled out energy. So as that comes in, you can see by the end of the week, it's still there hanging on. It is a settled week with a new system coming in late week, but Monday looks like this. Will you need a raincoat for dawn service? Heads up, places like Auckland, Hamilton, Taranaki, New Plymouth, and maybe Dunedin and Invercargill with the southwest flow, still rather blustery here. There's just the leftovers of that system. See how it spreads out? The areas of blue are the showers. That'll be how Monday starts off. So for dawn service, those spots could see some showers. I think you're okay in Wellington, Christchurch, otherwise dry. And with that flow, you may only see 15, 16 degrees for Invercargill, Dunedin by day, Auckland, you're probably getting up to around 20. A cooler flow. But guess what? High pressure, that'll be set to come in. With Tuesday coming in, it's almost there, but we've still got that southwest flow on the flow around the high. Still going to have a couple of showers into the far south, places like Invercargill, maybe Dunedin. There could be the odd straggler here and there, but Tuesday, it's a decent looking day. You'll see lots of spots getting up to around 20 and about where we should be, if you can believe it, for the time of year temperature-wise. Wednesday, center of the high gets closer. That means we lose the breeze, not as strong with that. One or two showers to the far south and east may graze by perhaps parts of eastern Southland, Clutha, maybe parts of Otago, Dunedin. You could get a few showers to Gisborne, maybe Napier. As that goes through everyone else, you're looking fine. And Wednesday, creep up the temperatures a bit more, maybe about where you should be, maybe even a touch above into the afternoon. Thursday, look at that. High comes across the South Island, light winds, a little bit of early cloud in a few places. You notice the blue there, that's one or two showers, maybe an easterly flick, just moving across the Bay of Plenty. So places like Coromandel, eastern parts of Auckland, Northland, there may be the odd shower in the day. Everyone else you're fine. Down south is looking good. Queenstown, Dunedin, and much of the country looking fine. Could of course be some overnight frost with that for Thursday to get us in through the second half of the week. Friday, more the same, but with a flow like that, on this side of the high, that tends to be the warmer side of the high, you're dragging in less cold air, so this is when we start seeing temperatures in the far south creep a bit above normal. So by the end of the week, Friday, Invercargill, Dunedin, you might be 18, maybe 19, everyone else you're fine. Few little dots of a blue, the odd little shower, but it's dry. It's settled, you're okay. Weekend, we've still got the high, but remember, stuff starts gathering here. A new system to slide in. You've got the high, that's a warmer northwest flow, and as the gradient tightens up, that increases the breeze, strengthen the breeze. You'll notice that these could be some 20-degree days to the far south. You'll enjoy those before that wet weather creeps in. And timing of that now seems to be late weekend, but as you've seen over the last several weeks, if you've got an app at home, you're looking at the weather, they're always changing. Keep an eye on things because the timing of these systems always moves a little bit faster than some of the computer models. Rainfall for the week, where you see the lighter blue, that's the high. Dry for the week. There's your new system coming in. Pick up some wet weather to Fiordland, the far south, going into the end of the week with that, and that's really just the first bits and pieces. 5, 10, maybe 30 millimeters to Fiordland, but you can see for most of us in that light blue area, what does it mean? It's a dry, quiet, chilled out week, a bit on the cool side, then things warm up later on. That's the weather for now.